GoPro is a well-known name when it comes to action cameras, and the latest offering from the brand is the GoPro Hero 11. The camera has been designed to cater to the needs of outdoor enthusiasts who want to capture high-quality footage of their adventures. In this video, we will take an in-depth look at the GoPro Hero 11 and highlight its main functions and features. Design and build quality. The GoPro Hero 11 features a sleek design and is built to withstand the toughest of conditions. The camera is waterproof up to 33 feet, 10 meters, without the need for an additional housing. It has a rubberized coating that provides a good grip, and the buttons are easy to press even when wearing gloves. The camera also comes with a touchscreen display that makes it easy to navigate through the menu and preview your footage. Features of the GoPro Hero 11. Hyper Smooth 4.0. The Hero 11 comes with the latest version of GoPro's Hyper Smooth Stabilization technology, which provides smooth footage even in the most challenging conditions. Time-Warp 3.0. This feature allows you to capture time-lapse footage while on the move, and it also includes an auto speed option that adjusts the speed of the time-lapse according to the movement of the camera. 5.3K video recording. The Hero 11 can shoot 5.3K video at 60 frames per second, which is a significant improvement over its predecessor, the Hero 10. Live Burst. This feature captures 1.5 seconds of footage before and after you press the shutter button, allowing you to choose the perfect moment to save as a photo or video. Super Photo Plus HDR. The camera's Super Photo mode automatically adjusts the settings to provide the best possible photo, and the HDR mode ensures that your photos are well exposed even in challenging lighting conditions. Night-Lapse Video. The Hero 11 can shoot time-lapse videos at night, and it also includes an auto-adjust option that adjusts the settings according to the lighting conditions. Voice control. The camera can be controlled using voice commands, which is especially useful when you're in a situation where you can't use your hands to operate the camera. 30% longer battery life. The Hero 11 has a longer battery life compared to its predecessor, which means that you can shoot for longer without having to worry about running out of power. Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth connectivity. The camera can be connected to your smartphone via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, allowing you to control the camera remotely and transfer your footage and photos wirelessly. Main functions of the GoPro Hero 11. Video recording. The GoPro Hero 11 is primarily designed for shooting high-quality videos, and it can shoot up to 5.3K video at 60 frames per second. The camera also comes with various video modes, like Time-Warp 3.0, which allows you to capture time-lapse footage while on the move, and Hyper Smooth 4.0, which provides smooth footage even in the most challenging conditions. Photo capture. The Hero 11 can capture photos up to 20 megapixels and includes various modes like Super Photo and HDR, which ensure that your photos are well exposed and of high quality. The camera also includes the Live Burst feature, which captures 1.5 seconds of footage before and after you press the shutter button, allowing you to choose the perfect moment to save as a photo or video. Audio recording. The Hero 11 comes with advanced audio processing that provides clear and high-quality audio, even in noisy environments. The camera also includes 3 microphones that work together to capture the best possible audio. Touchscreen display. The camera features a 2.27-inch touchscreen display that makes it easy to navigate through the menu and preview your footage. The display is also bright enough to be visible in bright sunlight, making it easy to use outdoors. Voice control. The camera can be controlled using voice commands, which is especially useful when you're in a situation where you can't use your hands to operate the camera. You can use voice commands to start and stop recording, take photos, and turn the camera on and off. Waterproof design. The Hero 11 is waterproof up to 33 feet, 10 meters, without the need for an additional housing, which makes it perfect for use in water-based activities like surfing and swimming. The camera's waterproof design also makes it resistant to dust and other particles. Battery life. The Hero 11 has a longer battery life compared to its predecessor, which means that you can shoot for longer without having to worry about running out of power. The camera's battery life is up to 95 minutes of continuous recording at 5.3K resolution. Connectivity. The camera can be connected to your smartphone via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, allowing you to control the camera remotely and transfer your footage and photos wirelessly. The camera also comes with a USB-C port that allows for faster data transfer and charging. Accessories. GoPro offers a wide range of accessories that are compatible with the Hero 11, including mounts, cases, and filters. These accessories can help you capture footage in different environments and add creative effects to your footage. Durability. The Hero 11 is built to withstand the toughest of conditions and is designed for use in extreme environments. The camera is made from high-quality materials that are resistant to scratches, bumps, and drops. Overall, the GoPro Hero 11 is an excellent action camera that offers advanced features and high-quality performance. Its sleek design, long battery life, and waterproof design make it perfect for use in outdoor activities, while its advanced features like Hyper Smooth 4.0 and Time Warp 3.0 allow you to capture smooth and creative footage. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or an outdoor enthusiast, the Hero 11 is an excellent choice for capturing your adventures. If you found the video valuable, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of the upcoming tech videos.